Hey everybody, I'm Sam Mash and welcome back to some more Animal Crossing New Horizons. And how do you like that? I'm recording a video in the morning for a change. Yes, I think that's a nice change of pace to get everything going for the day. So, this morning, I'm not going to be focusing on the DIY Furniture Up Mars achievement. Instead, I'm going to be cleaning up my island a little bit and setting a bug model down. So that'll be great. Hello Isabel, good morning everyone. Right now on sunset it's 9:39 AM on Wednesday, June 8th, 2022. The most fashionable of the Able sisters, Label, is visiting us on sunset today. She says she needs volunteers to help with some research. If you have time, please visit her in the plaza. That's all for now. I hope you all enjoyed the loveliest of lovely days. Thank you, Isabel. So, this is the last time I'll be doing a video one-handed because I have a tripod thing coming today that I can set my phone on. And it should be nice. First of all, let's check the mail. So I have my bottle from Flick, a Noble Ant. I'll take that. But I have to throw it away, has to save space. Then Maple. Maple, this is a lovely letter, but I need to throw it away so as to save space. Because I don't want to overflow my mailbox. Alrighty. So we've got the ant model. Great. I can only do this running because I'm one-handed. I'm so sorry. Okay. So where do I want this to go? Well, I've been setting all the other bug models at the back of my island. So this is my train station. I hope you all like it. It's got a Tory at the end. This is my new walkway. There's Mint and Maple there. There's Maple who sent me the letter. So, over here, I have all my bug models. If I take those away, these lilies or the valleys, I could set it there. But I really don't know. I set that one there the other day. I could set it up further forward if I take these two pink flowers out of the way. I don't know yet. I'll show you guys my movie theatre. So it's projecting a movie. It's just some zebras, I think, walking around on there. And this is my sugarcane path, and it's going to be a fossil. Yeah, it's a fossil. No worries. There we go. And we take. Nope. Oh, I'm doing everything wrong because I'm one-handed. There. I need to cover these holes up again. I'm so sorry. Please forgive me. I need to put that back in. Then put that away. Okay. So if I leave the ant model right here for now, just drop it. There will be another video going out today, but it'll be on a tripod thing, and it'll be great. And this is where I grow my potatoes and my wheat down there. And then my crops all the way up here. See the carrots, the potatoes, the tomatoes, and the pumpkins. Then I just randomly stuck a moon between the two random pillars here. And if I go down here, and go into my rock garden. And it looks pretty spiffy from here. I think it looks pretty nice. I think I shall take a picture. There we go. Zoom in a little bit and up. And I'll do this. Boom. That might be the thumbnail photo. I need to get used to doing those more often for this series now. So, that's... I don't know what to do next. I should probably clean up my island a little bit because 2 weed clumps and 4 fossils spawn in it every day. So I might put my camera down to do that two-handed. So that's going to conclude this portion of the video. When I come back, my phone's going to be on a tripod and it'll be very good. So okay, I'll see you all this afternoon. Bye bye everybody.